do you actually go from working in your business to working on your business? You see, the first thing you have to do is understand that the objective is to get out of the day-to-day operations. And, you know, for me, when I started my business, I was doing everything, right? And many of us have to do that. We have to do all the things: sales, marketing, fulfillment. You know, we had to do books, I had to do the finances, I had to manage everything in the business. But I understood the objective of trying to, you know, get out of the day-to-day operations. How do we do that? The key is you have to replace yourself. You have to start one by one replacing yourself on the roles that you're fulfilling when you start your business. And one of the best pieces of advice I ever got was to find people better than you. So the idea is, if you find someone who is at least 80% better than you at the thing that you're doing, let them do it and go do something else. And rinse and repeat this process. What's gonna happen is you're gonna figure out what it is that truly brings you joy, something that you're really, really naturally good at, and something that's going to bring the best outcome for your business. Find that role, find that superpower, figure that out, work towards that.